Visitors will give your homepage around 5 seconds to make sense. If it doesn't, they're gone for good. This video breaks down how to build a homepage that actually holds attention and gets people to click. Welcome to part 2 of the Wix Portfolio Site Starter Guide. If you missed the first video, we covered how to set up your brand and style. Check it out after this to stay on track. Today's focus, the homepage. It's the first impression visitors get and the moment they decide whether to scroll or leave. A strong homepage tells people who you are, what you do, and what to do next. In this video, you'll learn how to structure each part of your homepage inside Wix Studio, from the header to the final call to action. First up, your site's header. It sits at the top of every page, and on the homepage, it does two jobs: sets the tone and helps people get around. Keep it simple. Logo on the left, navigation on the right. One clear button if you need it, like Book Now or Get in Touch. In Wix Studio, click your header, hit Edit menu, then Manage menu to toggle on your main pages. Add your social links. Set the background to soft gray, text to white, and highlight any selected item with muted yellow. Make sure the logo links back to the home page. Check on mobile to ensure everything scales and is easy to tap. A good header works quietly. When it feels smooth, you nailed it. The hero section is what visitors see first, and it's where they decide whether to stay or bounce. Make it count with a big, clear headline that says what you do. Follow it with one short sentence that adds context, but keep it natural. In Wix Studio, click the section plus icon, add a hero section, and choose strip or blank for full control. Add title text, one-line intro, and a button like See My Work or Learn More, linking to a relevant page. Check it on mobile to make sure the spacing, font size, and image scaling still look sharp. The goal is to tell people what the site is about and why they should care in just a few seconds. Once you've grabbed attention, it's time to build trust. Right under the hero, add a quick About intro. Keep it short, just enough to show who you are and why someone should care. In Wix Studio, click the section plus icon and add a new text and image layout. Swap placeholder text with a brief intro. Add one strong photo that fits your tone: portrait, behind the scenes, or work highlight. Optionally, add a client logo, a quote, or a stat if it's relevant. Make sure the design matches your homepage style, so keep the same fonts, color palette, and tone. Visitors scroll fast. This section just needs to give them a reason to think, okay, this guy knows what they're doing. Don't make people hunt around to figure out what you do. Put your work right on the homepage. In Wix Studio, this is easy to set up. Add a gallery, grid, or even a repeater section depending on your content. For photographers, drop in a few standout shots. Designers, add a carousel of your latest project. For a service-based setup, use icons or a clean list to explain what you offer, in plain terms. Don't overload this section. Each image or item should link to a deeper page. If someone wants to explore more, make it easy. Double-check that the layout looks clean on both desktop and mobile. Watch out for long captions or buttons that are cut off. Think of this section as the highlight reel. Show your best work, keep it sharp, and make people want to click through. Now that visitors know what you do, don't leave them hanging. At the bottom of your homepage, add a call to action, a clear message like book your session or download my portfolio. Add a bold, visible button that links to your contact form, portfolio, or services page. Check it on mobile. The CTA should be easy to read, easy to tap, and visible, not buried under multiple swipes. Wix Studio gives you full control over layout, fonts, and motion. If you want even more flexibility, a Wix subscription is a smart next step. That's how to build a homepage that actually works. A clear structure, strong visuals, and an obvious next step. If your homepage does its job, visitors will click, explore, and stick around. In the next video, we'll build the About, Contact, and Services pages, which are the ones that turn curious visitors into actual clients. See you there. Check that out next and follow the full guide to keep building a site that actually does something.